With RoboDK, you can easily calibrate your robot using a measurement system. Supported measurement systems include laser trackers and stereo cameras. By calibrating the robot with RoboDK, you can expect a significant improvement in robot accuracy. Typically 0.2 millimeter, or even better. This allows you to accurately create your digital twin. By calibrating your robot using RoboDK, you can generate highly accurate robot programs from RoboDK automatically, improving accuracy for manufacturing applications such as drilling, welding, machining, inspection, dispensing, additive manufacturing. The calibration process has been fully automated. Just a few simple steps. Result: phenomenal precision, optimal accuracy for every robot.